Ground control to Major Fiona.
Oh, sorry. What did I miss?
I just played Queen of Clubs.
And whose turn is it?
My turn, Space Girl. What should I do? What should I play? I go 10 of diamond, just right here.
Mom, that's cheating. Remember the rules? No communicating with your partner in any way.
Okay. Why are you so strung up anyway?
I think she's dreading coming back to work, Auntie 3.
Still a few days left of your holiday. Relax. Enjoy the downtime for once. Worry about you, baby girl.
I'm alright, Mom. I'm a big girl. You don't have to worry.
Your turn, Fee.
King of Diamonds. You seem to hit the jackpot with Mr. Long's account, right, Yulin? And that gave you a head start for the new year.
Well, couldn't have done it without Haley's help. By the way, I still owe you a lavish dinner. I'm aiming to double my target next year.
Make sure to put your money where your mouth is.
Also, my boss mentioned the restructure, and our department might have to lay off some staff if we don't complete the project by the end of March.
Do you think he might be bluffing to get you to put in more hours?
Well, I don't know. He's got a really good poker face, so I can never tell.
I think we're on the same boat. I reckon this year gonna be a tough year for corporations.
Ladies. Enough of work talk already. Concentrate on the task at hand, which is this game.
Yes, ma'am. 6 of hearts.
Oh no, I need to block this row. Darn, I've got nothing. 8 of spades.
You guys know how powerful a two-eyed Jack is, don't you? I can just play him anywhere. And I am just going to play him here. Winner, chicken dinner. We rock, partner. Baby girl, try to relax and you might win something. And I'm not just talking about games.
Let's check out the useful language that you can add to your vocabulary bank by clicking on the link in the description section below.